I will say, open the ball on you, live the be, live the soft, live the tasty like any. Enjoy the beautiful thing today. Tomorrow go come, you be free will late. I will say, okay, this is part no more. Just be a tomo no nya jakuma. Asiedu Nketiah na ye frɛ no atɔwuo no.
na you know is that black kasem bi e ma mu say papa we vision. You know my money one is the next president. I'm telling you honestly, I just say me drum anum. Ghana for a mistake, and it's for a mistake. Ram go frem bo frem bi atɔwuo bia be di anim an wa hwɛ e be lusu.
Hey, hey, what you frɛ o? Wow, party national chairman. Who frɛ no atɔwuo. TK Edwalai. Oh, about to be part of Amani Asiedu Nketiah. Efa interview we grante ya and what trade mu concern Mahama term agenda no. I was say 2 months or no, or be contested on the ticket of NDC as president, aspiring candidate. Any other day no. Just say or no so TK. I will feel Judas that black camp. About to be Ed Amani Asiedu Nketiah. Omo media so I say hey, media mo ha as Penyah the way CBR media mo. I Penyah blog message say need mo. Obe subscribe button so that one obe turn the notification icon for latest updates. Eya no akere wa adwen da mama e welcome. Na wo so e ma no enya benhwe no make am for NGWorks ena de amount. So po bi obe ye plumber works bia ma ye lay pipe in free akra we sin ko tamale obe said media na ma. Ye ntunsuo e form ko be dwa form no atunsuo no e de amount o me bi. Dum so obe so bo solar panel e wo fie wo store ba bia wo ye adwuma ba bia company hotel ba bia o me ye e de amount. Obe so install power plant. Dum so power plant so o me install e de amount e fie ube bia store hotel be bia boutique be bia power plant installation e dey ma o pe we say me to swimming pool dey ma wa o mo say me dey e kan ho je say ye tu nsuo adwuma bia fa engineering ho bia de emfa mpa NGWorks e ho o mu adwuma ho tepa no mbo so de fofofo gan ha be bia no o ti ma ho ma o beba o mu namba enegu asen fa na from na enu mu nsa waso no o mebo a wo sa ekwan so o ba be da ma say Penyah o kan pa. Let's go to the story. I was telling him say over NDC party ni a flag bearership race I start na I say ball asuja kakra I starting kakra na me dey menya ball asuja ma because me need dey akire I starting to come a check I starting abra juroza bra no all call the count all call the keep fit in the morning keep fit bi others obu ko okay. And I said, "You guys have to thank you to me, okay?" But maybe we just thank you to Asiedu Nketiah, no. And yeah, thank you to. The presidential ambitions and unravel. I said, kwa ya kwa about a woman so na national chairman. But president no go to our man or crown. Why after 1 year our focus adwuma national chairman there bia no aduru ha ye kam ye damas no aduru ha 2 years after election ye dasi e de be nku let's all focus there be I think that yan kura wo campaign I was start here etinya botre
obi ye campaign mun kan planning chese national chairman who go party no who go NDC dia wo ye ne nye obi am collect na sorry obi anya president bi obedi o eti tutu niam ne ye ne nkoso andi kan nyina
e ma no mu kura no ogopie mu tamale no ko campaign bi a ne bi kire se o throw short at Muntaka Mohammed any how you say o kum wo mu ambitions o man penifo na hu say ono so be deep party nanim as leaders ya o muntimi mo party because even in parliament 2023 kura no muntimi nya adwuma from NDC no opposition no it is not they had to change them emo no hwɛ me say san wo me say okokele o mu ambitions that day when you go for banter baby and so back and forth now you know when you study the trend of Asiedu Nketiah energy was that brother you could see say there's some friction between them and come when you question now there was another conversation in business say Mahama on go for third term Mahama go for third term e Mahama club because on third term the onko e man e bi must air fire hey obekaya kosi platoon be keka bi be fire vimred mu nyina be fire say dear brother Mahama ya open for third term any ade na ya this same third term agenda no ana Mahama Asiedu Nketiah e ko grant interview ho no e no cheche say Mahama de we na adwuma Ghana mra no ekan se obia otute Mahama wie na even Mahama na akra se onko biem enti omunyai sa tete mu nkomo no di omunyai kan NDC fo no mu yes as omunyai
on se nansan ewumwa na bibia sori asi o tete agenda third term agenda. Sa subject no nye subject ketwa sese yedidi agro.
Okay.
But the way a man for a debate ho asem no. Akwa say yede aye personalities. So omo de abeya in President Mahama ko mu say wa obeka say wo petetem no na ope Mahama asem. Wa obeka say wo petetem no na che say wo time Mahama. A very dangerous adwuma omo ye.
Okay.
So na MPP for so start Mahama ni tetem agenda ntini ye chese womu pese ye for so the campaign message.
Okay.
So na President Mahama mo kana semu wa ba be ka say onye interested. Na nipa no si onye interested. Na wo say makoko to say me ko hye no amanaye. Na uteti asofo no binum a asi o tete ma me kura me dia bamba bi o se sofo bi ka se eyi me de me ka se me gina presidential eyi a obi antimi bitimi na de be ha me an se tete Mahama ne tete agenda no me mfa ma no ntum me de ma no tumpe na che se ebe say ade no kura ama Mahama de abufu akọ support abranti bi ama na bebitimi na me ni prophecy mu hunu mu.
Okay.
But we are prophecy I make my bisa question kakra se nipa no a ono wabeka se ade no ompe menso menyanto manum to se mekoba bia na menkoba bi.
Okay.
Na wahwe mu aka se me Asiedu Nketiah nko asem wo ya ba dia eno ye ba ko de tosu mienu nso no de enyina so a ye gina so aye campaign na ye mamu no Ghana fo so agi atumu no ade ba ko pa ne se Ghana fo gi tumu se President Mahama ye nokwafo onti se baumia enti o ka asemo a he means it.
Okay.
So na wa prophecy we say wa unim se President Mahama be ka se onye interest o say Asiedu Nketiah de ko kan bia na che se Mahama bubefu no na wakọ akofa abrante bi ama ono abegina enti na sem no we prophecy no mu a na che se either say Mahama nye no kwafo se o kan no abonten se onko no owo ade bi pa bi wo sumase se obekọ.
Okay.
Eno na be ma se Asiedu Nketiah akoka bi a obenya abufuo di ama Asiedu Nketiah anya sa. Ghana force nim say President Mahama kan okore eno ono so abekasi enti Saudi prophecy e be create impression bi say President Mahama e kan semba akon dada Ghana fo eno osan wo bi wo sumase a se ukobo so a eno nti obenya ho abufuo a na President Mahama na nimu nyamye no na opese odi twitwiri fam.
Okay.
So eno da nchen a de to so mienu tetem or no tetem no me kura nse se o mo ka no tetem because issue I da ho ne se ya sheda tema ye twere constitution no ena ye no se ye term limit.
Okay.
Because na nyina ye pe kwan a ye be fa so a o man no ye democracy no be gina enti ye ko consultative
na honkomo mu no ana Asiedu Nketiah ebeka se ono kura no se na we de na ya manfo na keka se akonya no nya bi obedi ba we de ono anka se etro no mutuo 2028 aye ko ni NDC flagship race no oka ho bi o contest bi na obegina ame ato ne so aba na se Asiedu Nketiah so pe Ghana konya ni bi adi Asiedu Nketiah so pegana kunya ni biedi. Why shipa? O pe biedi. It is confirming the thank you to. Any thank you to. It was the campaign to. It wasn't a thank you to. This clear all doubt. It wasn't a campaign. It wasn't a thank you to. It was actually a campaign to. And some guys now or marketing himself. Now, scientific no koya say or no. As a person or treasures will nimunyansa wo constitution ni mu bebre was wo dia manyo sem achi ache ase I said you get some strategy be e maga for that no no yes one knowledgeable nyansa wonto nimunyansa bebre e no ana tk so every Julius Debra e camp na tk so akodi nkomo na ensem tk e keka de kire Asiedu Nketiah no challenge agoro utime frɛ o national chairman atɔwuo sɛ yɛduma atɔwuo bia be di o man so
It is an inescapable fact. Since and His Excellency John Dramani Mama, ye nyane hu so besa babiem. That's why am biem a o ma Ghana for hwe o manim se daache. O mmegina ne ento o so aba no be flag bearer, e meto ade nyuma pa no so no. Honorable Atuforsen ho. Honorable Joshua Alabi e ho. Honorable Eric Opoko, Honorable Asiedu Nketiah, and the general himself, the chief of staff, Honorable Julius Debra so e ka ho. Na o hwe sa nipa nu we nyina. Why now officers so John Dramani Mama ni wo near 2 minutes mana obetuma to na nyuma pa so.
Enipa obo mu ni na no. Madi nkaka. Omo se fata. But ewiase eti adidie no e won yese no. Anya sa anka sabi mpreduasa abusua kra no ye betumi anya impanifo bi asabe. Omo da abusua no nanso adidie be kofa akola ede amna abedi ade because adidie e won ye ede ese no. Impanifo mbo mu dini na no omo na de diesel obi anu wa de ko gina NDC ticket so a ba omi abetumi ade abiti no esida
Sir.
David
The digitalization
no ono de wa
mobile money interoperability.
wa to nso ono kra de enka obatisi esa ne Ghana fo ahu ene ne a omode omadwene ne omaso atofo mo ahu ne ntino omo hu se yewura mahama go de dishie ye no abesi Ghana hanemre mu papa no odi dwumade ede magana man no se yewura mahama me de me bom pa ya se papa no sa kobi before Ghana for free papa no say the way what to near mama and the Ghana obia sua nya say kwa fa so a yetumi use ska and yetumi bibi ma Ghana ye hotoye no ani mputu dwuma no say yewura mahama tumi kobi ma mitike me ne baje pa because ade o papa ni su no e say otumi ye wie but say yewura mahama tumi an kobi na Ghana for said you omo keka onabu Julius Debra na say yewura mahama tumi an kobi mu dia bra NDC ni bia ni wasabe o we na dwese sabe producer obi jai Julius Debra to akofo obi aba
Then am Julius Debra yesonko.
onim anya bia no ma men kire ne ma mienu miensa bi e wona bu Julius Debra ono na me ba follow no ana mehu hwe 2016
Then am Julius Debra yesonko.
ani tira men kire wo se enemre ma yeti we kwafo e Julius Debra asantefo e Julius Debra enkrafo e Julius Debra ayigbefo e Julius Debra krobofo e Julius Debra adanfo e Julius Debra enfatefo e Julius Debra no tres e Julius. Let me tell one thing okay Ghana hanamo o Julius Debra modern baba bo eye Ghana man yosemu
As a minister, local
first,
government.
Neighbor first me did need no local government and local
Yes.
rural development
Yes.
ebe ka ho ana yewura mahama who said no papa na dwuma bo ma say bill ko ni hye osaya chim ni hye odidi kwa santimam me onabu Julius Debra on suma me ana me papa no sebi mpreduasa me nko ne chen eni nkodi nkomo but won say wiase so say ade bi koso e woni patim ensemi koso ni patim na se utie ne adodo na de e kafa onabu Julius Debra ho a
Una nkroma dodo na so ma.
masa he ma make some chiro timi even Kumasi ya kura no we me bakumasi ya me share afa town ehwe include the MPP for no kura no
and so share an nkofo di nkomo
me come chino me kwa baby sa so ase sanzo buzo community any nkofo di nkomo say it is here no say NDC yewura mahama
anywhere
mpo a
one is
one of obia can only myself mo can say papa no so kaka no because ye dey nim say yewura mahama ni won ni obi obotumi adan aba but you see me we say papa no so 7 pedro say dey ni beto for ma ye ka ministry say adwuma pa ye aban mu adwuma cabinet ministers pa on kita omo so I say because to be a chief of staff no I say we are the second in command.
Yes.
Just say administration
minister CEOs in our show say
everything if you're not going to try government near day eka what say na enti na dwumadie no otumi nya nto e ma say de ebi mo na mo bo mo nsra hwehwe no because the brand doesn't do that but in crofo no mo ankasa no Ghana for na say no NDC a political party say Ghana for ni timamfa giatu but yewura mahama anko biamu dia the best candidate as a Ghana for here no I will name them all Ghana no I don't know what you say
that's all research away no na Musa Dankwa so ka se nko nka ho kra o
ono no na me dika say honorable Josebra onye wo say atiefo ntie me pa hwe obi bia obeka kire o say why research na asimesi di no anu ye ono nasem de bia be kama sam say delegate na omoto aba no say delegate for ne edu omochi a eni anka eni obi adika ja obi ba na na yete wisi ya no se wo pese ubedi omampene na so pese wo ye ne magana fo ji utuma enye we ready kan no oniema obey what na grounds enti Musa Dankwa se mo kan de onu de ni so de kasa me I go for the national nya Ghana for hwe no na me bohu dawuru
that's all research away
that is the fact
because now
who delegate now who no ye be ye debre 1000 and say 800 now koto abaya de e dia ma one candidate no o de baba na se timamfo so mo mpena you lose
na say Ghana for pay Julius Zebra
honorable Julius Zebra delegate for ni sa national for trust no it is any pay ye free papa no e be na obi abetwa no nobody they come at now say Ghana for ye mistake send this for amomani and me can support candidate but ye hwe ne wodi so ene ye wakumam ene ye de me de kasa I'm telling you papa yi ebe ye local minister and ye ru amama sa twe no bra say kache wadwi ne kita de mo do
and the better minister singing na
and osaba be ye de ebe ye Eastern regional minister
sir
now him say obesa Eastern regional minister ofri ho aswa and ye ru amama ka say bra be ye greater Accra minister
regional minister
onu ko a
wow
onu ko a dwumadie onabu Josebra aye wo
na say benefo se ne wato abere wada no woni se de akokra je
owie no
yes
was saka se papa
experience
wo dwuma na wo ye the experience there too much so come na me fa chief of staff na wo chief of staff easy
dabi
enye easy
una ministers
yewura mama e koye Josebra antia na ebo papa ye chidom abra na opposition
underground workers akokra
is a free sabi je fi hwie de e ba yo ni agrada hwie all the way osifani sabi je fi kasa e na Josebra kasem bi e ma mo se papa we vision yellow mama ni wa is the next president. I'm telling you honestly, I just say me dwamanum Ghana for a mistake and it's for a mistake no go freb bi atɔwuo bia bedi anima wa hwe e be lusu when Yira Mama was not there, Yira Mama was not there, or was not going again. No. Say NDC for any no go for atɔwuo ni atɔwuo. Una there for atɔwuo.
Minima atɔwuo.
Atɔwuo akwa se bibia ayi bisibia ya bona enye papa. Asawa so atɔwuo. Na mo be di say o me lead NDC sabe munya ba bi nyina. E se ba Yira se digati enema sabe o to mani na no sabe producer eya ho ya because Ghana for ne yesi ye pese Yira Mama e ko take time. And we found Emegina on Yera Mama or to be called
chairman of NDC.
Yes, of course.
And he or a stakeholder.
See me?
Oh, yes.
Me jitum, but me come to all chairman, only the chairman or Ghana for Dazo. There was a nigga all to me Ghana for Agri. Yera Mahama me say or Bako Tete one Kodia, the lead person here, Judo Zabra, almost over to me come at you all tear me ye. Chef, I can me who ye, I can chairman dear. I can also mock a my opposition for the day, and opposition for who say Yera Mama, Cocotte, and Babede, a babua, not a chairman. na say sadi pakura Asiedu Nketiah e be gina TV so ka say Ghana ene kukura si kwaso afọ support
o kan wen
masa go and play I'm saying okotra TV and another station bi and the car say yewura mahama mamu no obu no say ne se bin previous up say kukura si so afọ support it be am be say me ho say tie
kana chess kid be fa
masa mama chiro me kan ni pempia mo ta say me say yewura Asiedu Nketiah pe say go muafo enye sebe and papa free wa and is for develop enye catastrophe be dey e be develop ko na dey amomo and this case let me tell something but you can say catastrophe put you na NDC but a dear bet mupo and a catch no city MP because me am tiwe
because opese obeye MP na opese obeye no
was na be
no MP ade na oye no onye MP nso no ohwe mpuntu nyuma ne niam aye ko ta ma ahemfo nyina so ye gine chi
bra tie me ahemfo no mo na sebe me choma se ahemfo no pese o be say impuntu juma na sebe atopete anatopa ya wo kromo no catastrophe e ya mo but catastrophe put you in na I don't guess it but the idea ba adwin on the be open MP aye fa kwasi akọ e mo ni MP hwe me kan kwa chi prepare catastrophe say and this open for you very careful obeye jatabuwa abedom aboboa no obehwom go let me tell one thing akwana de papa ni trim
on pen kwasi as if there was a TK abefire Asiedu Nketiah camp omo 3 bullet enye ile we say they are bomb na akoda on the paya o so abetutu bi e de amanu wo mo I media no so aye de pa I Penyah black media agra